Indeed, we're going back to our roots. And we signed up, I signed us up, you and I, for FabFitFun. I think I've done this one time. Honestly, I think like many years ago I had FabFitFun. I want to say I was sponsored in that one. This is not sponsored. This is all because I love the magic of it. And how beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is a summer edition, okay? Why am I standing? You may have seen my last video. I think on day 6 post-op. Every day has gotten a little bit better. I'm feeling almost, I don't even want to say almost, I'm still in pain, but a lot better than I have been. So we're gonna sit down because I'm not feeling that good. Not good enough not to sit. I don't like sitting right here. Let me sit over here. So if you know about FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription. So you get it 4 times a year because that's once a quarter. And again, this is summer edition. Because I am a new subscriber, I also have $200 in free gifts in here. So I'm very curious to know what they put in. And I picked out, I think, 4 of the items for the summer box. I hope they're separated so I can like tell you like this is part of the box or this is part of the free gifts. It was also FabFitFun week where they had a bunch of clearance stuff. You'll be proud to know I didn't pick a single add-in thing to put in my box. We're not doing that. We don't want to pay extra. So, again, beautiful packaging. I'm loving this. I want to say it's like $68-ish a quarter. I did the annual plan because it was the cheapest route, and I'm doing this day of, like you saw me, I got it off my porch. We're going hard here. I'm gonna edit this and upload it tomorrow. Honestly, that's my goal. We have time because I can't really do much anyways. I was also just on their site and I saw every season I can send out 8 free starter boxes. You would just have to pay for shipping, and then you would need to cancel within 21 days if you don't want to end up getting the annual plan, but it is free. These are all the options it comes with. Those are, I think, was the available ones right now. But if you do want this, I do have 8 I can send out by July 21st. So just leave your email in the comments and I will send you an email invite. Oh my goodness. Is this clothing? No, it's a bag. Okay, it's a bag. Is this free, the free item? Summer's Vault. It's like a neoprene swimsuit material beach bag. It is. It's just a beach bag. Okay, it's red, it's pink, it's cute. You could use it as a reusable shopper's tote. Many variety of uses. Gym bag, if you will. Not for me, I like a zipper, but you never know. Like yoga bag, that's cute. I think this is probably one of the free gifts. I wish that it had something to tell you that. A bracelet. This is by Adina Eden, and it's just a little baby bracelet. I don't wear bracelets. Maybe I can start wearing them. This looks exactly like if I were to wear a bracelet, what I would wear, because it looks exactly like every single necklace I wear. It's just gold and like paper clip-esque, and it does have little baby jewels on the middle one. She is pretty. Okay, I'm not mad about that one. That's adorable. An ice mold. I love ice. It's pineapple shaped. It's very summery. By the brand Blush. And then by Tarte, we have a Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. I have tried this and I do like this mascara. It is good. Can you not eat that for me, please? I don't wear mascara ever really anymore. Doesn't mean I can't start. Probably does, because it makes my eyes itchy. But when I do want to look nice, I do use mascara, and I would use this, so we'll keep her. Oh, yes. Oh, this is what I want to see. This is by Slip, and these are silky little hair ties. I've been wanting this. This is a nice brand too. Their pillowcases are like $100. Oh, this is good too. This is Olaplex, and it's their Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. Deep, clean, soften, restore, shine, and clarity. This is a nice brand. I want to say those are the free gifts because everything else is underneath of this paper here. So was that worth $200? I don't know. We can add it up. Okay. Next, that has to, yeah, those had to have been the free ones because now we have a little, okay, that's weird. Glade trash bags, scratch and sniff. Must be a new scent. Let's smell it. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Bahama Bliss. We should try that. Glade Bahama Bliss.
I have them out there.
The blue ones?
Bought them this week.
Well, we already own them. They didn't even need to advertise it. That smells nice. Okay. By Our Spare Change. This feels like jewelry. Oh, I picked this out. This is one of my 4 picks. She's beautiful, and it's 14 karat gold plated, which is exactly what my ears need because they will swell up and start bleeding and itch really bad if I don't have a nice metal. They're very sensitive. These are so pretty. I think Asher's waking up, so if you hear a little baby toddler come crashing out of his room, that's what's happening. By Laneige, this is a bouncy and firm eye sleeping mask. This was another pick that I chose because I love this brand and I love eye cream. I don't know how people don't use eye cream. My husband doesn't use it. Like, how are your eyes not feeling dry? But my eyes need it. They definitely do. And I just have like drier skin anyways. It's combo skin. I do have oily skin. So you're probably looking at me like, you're not dry. I do have patches of dryness. This is gonna be good. By Grace and Stella, Comb and Get It. This is a Jade Comb scalp massage tool. I did not pick this. This is definitely something that was a mystery. Okay. Oh, it's very hot from being outside. How does this work? This does not look like it's gonna comb anything. If my hair were down, I would test it for us. There's a bunch of lint in it, but I think it's from being in this burlap-y bag. Can you please stop eating my stuff? That wouldn't even work for like doing a line down my hair for my buns. Okay. You thought. Asher actually might like this. He might like combing his hair. That could be a good Asher comb. I'm gonna take this out of the bag and then you can have the bag. Take it, go, don't come back. Next up, we have Vacation. I picked this. I think I picked this. I want to say I picked it, and then I forgot I picked it, and then we ended up buying one. So you never can have too much though. This is a SPF 30 sunscreen. I burn so bad, so I need it. Another sun control piece. Very fitting. Did I pick this? I'm not sure. I might have. Oh, Beach Riot. That's an expensive brand. And you might be thinking, you're never going to wear that, Brittany. I will wear this. I actually own one of these already. And it's very distorted because I wash it because I have a little bit of OCD. We know this. And so when I sweat and I'm wearing it, I put it in the wash. And then when it comes out of the wash, it's just a whole new shape. This doesn't look washable, which is a little unfortunate, but I bet I can hand wash it. I'm gonna use it. I'm not disappointed so far. Yeah, I cannot put this in the wash. It's nice. I wanna use this on vacation. Maybe I'll try to like not use it so I can take it on vacation with me. And it's still gonna be in one piece because that is a little delicate feeling. Oh no, the last thing. We already reached the bottom. Feels like there should be more. I think I did right. Not right. There was an option of like, would you like more higher end or less pieces, more high end, or would you like more pieces, less high end? And I'm almost positive I put less pieces and like better quality and brands. I picked this one. This is a pair of sunglasses by Air, which is a Revolve brand, and I don't have any nice sunglasses. This is actually gonna be the nicest pair I've ever owned, so amazing. Because I think it retails more than the actual box did. They're beautiful. They're gold. They have like a little tortoise shell, not lens, what do you call this, stick? Let's put her on. Okay. They're cute, I like these. Let me know in the comments, do you have FabFitFun? What did you get in your box? I'm not mad, I'm actually very excited. This was a good choice. Coming to my ears soon. I'll keep you updated if I love the products. You'll see them in some empties videos. So, thank you for watching. I know this is kind of short and sweet, but I think we need that, you know? So, I'll see you very soon. Bye!